Hi, this is Alejandra from the Galley of True Blue. Today I'm gonna cook a crispy skinned salmon, roasted potatoes, and a beautiful summer tomato and corn salad. I'm gonna start with the potatoes. They might take a little bit longer, so I think it's a good idea to start with them. I'm gonna chop them in smaller pieces, boil them a little bit, then season them with salt, pepper, olive oil, and rosemary. So this salad is super simple. It's just a mix of different colors of tomatoes, microgreens, chives, some dill, the corn around, olive oil, and that's it. That's the salad. So here's the salmon. I'm gonna make some cuts on the skin. I would put just some olive oil. Pepper. Lemon. We let it sit for a while here. Nice. I preheat the pan a little bit. I want it really hot, so a little bit of olive oil. Now we're gonna put the salmon skin down. There you go. Put some salt and pepper. Bit of lime. So here's the salmon getting ready. Let's check on those potatoes. How do they look? Crispy skinned salmon with roasted potatoes and a beautiful tomato and corn salad.